Got a messy column names after loading data into Power BI. In this video, I'll show you how to make your first row the headers in just one click. Hey everyone, today I'll show you a simple but very useful Power BI trick how to use your first row as column headers in Power Query. If you have ever imported a file and the column names look like column 1, column 2, column 3, 4 and 5 so on, this video is for you. When you load the data from Excel or a CSV file, sometime the first row as your real column names like a row ID, order date, ship date, or a name, region, or a sales. But Power BI does not recognize them automatically. That's when you use the use first row as header option, which is here in this case. So what we have to do, go to home, transform data, the Power Query table, click on the home button. You will notice the column names, column 1, column 2, column 3, and your actual headers are in the first row of the data. So to fix this, click on the home tab, use a first row as a header option. Instantly your first row becomes the column names. So that's it. Open Power Query, go to home, click use first row as headers, and your data is clean and ready to use.